You notice a dip in the floor and wonder what is the worst that can happen. Stay tuned to hear what can happen if you have dips in your floor. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. Dips in your floor can make you feel unsafe when you walk over them. In this video, I'll tell you what can cause dips in your floor, can you fall through them, and how to fix floors that dip. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So when we talk about floors that are dipping, there's a couple main reasons that floors dip. Number one, the floor joists have failed or the subfloor between the floor joists themselves have failed. The number one cause of either one of those two is either overspanning the floor joists with not the appropriate amount of beams or an intrusion of moisture causing that wood to weaken over time. The simple answer is most of the time, no. With the wood being all tied together with the studs in your walls, the subfloor of the floor joists, the likelihood that you're actually going to fall through is really low. That has to be pretty much completely disintegrated for that to really be a concern. But going untreated without it being looked at or solved, at some point you will fall through those floors. We have to determine first, is it the floor joist or is it the subfloor itself? So if it's the floor joist, a lot of times that can be solved with one of two different ways. Either sistering those floor joists themselves or adding additional supplemental support such as steel I-beam with adjustable jacks to get that sturdy again and even improve that and push that back up to where it's supposed to be. Now if it's the subfloor itself, that's generally going to need to be ripped up from the top and completely replaced. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about dips in your floor? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.